Gaggia Anima Prestige Automatic Coffee Machine. Super automatic frothing for latte, macchiato, cappuccino, and espresso drinks with programmable options. Touch brewing and frothing, bean to cup feature with automatic milk frothing for cappuccinos, macchiatos and lattes. Power cord length 48 inches. Programmable brewing options for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos and espresso steam wand, Cappuccinatore. Capacity beans container, 250 grams temperature control, 3 different temperature settings. Min 177.5 F, Med 182.9 F, Max 184.5 F. Easy access to water reservoir and bean hopper. Features a removable 60 ounces water reservoir that can be accessed on the top left of the machine, and an 8.8 ounce capacity bean hopper with access from the top right of the machine.Pump pressure 15 bar. Note: kindly refer the instructional video from the image section, also the user manual, which is highly essential before use. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.